Simba, no. Oh, now I'm stuck. Run, buddy, run! Say 60. Oh, yeah.
I love this little thing.
It's so cute. That's his nose. Oh, it sneezed. It sneezed. Okay. Oh my gosh, we got stuff stuck in it. This one got caught in Amaya's hair. Don't put it in the thing. Hair. Dang it! She went off track. Ow! Ow! You should see that.
This is hilarious.
My sister Shanae, her boyfriend, and her older brother were playing this. You know, her older brother that was playing football? Yeah. They were playing with this all day. They played with 3 of them. They were playing with brass dolls. It was funny. Yeah. Okay. Okay, little buddy. Stop. Oh, do the 360 on your face. Do you hear that?
No.
It has a big butt, it can't see it. Oh. See if you can get out by yourself. Okay, let's go.
Okay, she said you have to put the dog outside.
Get in. Oh my god! You make me crazy. What is your problem? Come here. No, SpongeBob. Oh, let the dog play with it. Ellie, go. Go look at it. Push it. Push the top. It's on the top, Savannah.
It's on the back.
It's on the back. Push the back button.
Cleo's like, what?
Cleo's scared of it. Get it, Cleo, get it! Get it! Get the little rabbit! Ellie. Bling, bling. Yeah? Put your boots on and go out and get this tree. What?
You have to go get the tree. That's over somewhere with it.
What? Are you still videotaping this?
Yeah.
I hope you cut me out.